Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade gym. First, let's plan. Consider your available space, whether it's a small corner or a dedicated room, and set a realistic budget. Think about your fitness goals, like strength or cardio, to guide your equipment choices. Research essential items such as adjustable dumbbells, resistance bands, and a comfortable exercise mat. Finally, prioritize safety and ensure good ventilation in your workout zone. Now, let's talk about core equipment. Adjustable dumbbells are incredibly versatile, allowing you to perform many strength exercises with just one set. Resistance bands are fantastic for adding scalable tension to warm-ups, stretching, and strength training, fitting easily into any space. A good exercise mat is essential for comfort during floor work. For upper body strength, a simple doorway pull-up bar is a great investment. You don't need expensive gear to get a great workout. Get creative with DIY equipment. Gallon jugs filled with water or sand make excellent makeshift weights for various exercises. A durable bag filled with sand creates a versatile sandbag for functional strength training. PVC pipes can be easily assembled into parallettes for dips and push-ups. Even old tires can be repurposed for flipping or striking workouts, adding a unique challenge. Finally, let's discuss setting up your space and staying safe. Arrange your equipment to ensure ample room for movement, preventing any accidental bumps. Good lighting and proper ventilation are key for a comfortable and safe environment. Always remember to warm up your muscles before starting your workout and cool down afterwards to aid recovery. Consistency is vital, so stick to a regular workout schedule for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.